Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of how to get a WEBM link from your video that you created using the screen recorder on TinyMCE in Moodle 4.5. So first thing I'm going to do is go into a course. So let me do that now. This can be done by students or teachers. First thing I'm going to do is try the video. So this is the video that I created using the screen recorder on TinyMCE. If you're interested in seeing what that looks like, let me go into another demo here. I'm going to go into reply so I can show you how that works. If you're replying and not posting, you need to go into advanced so that you have the full TinyMCE editor. You can turn on the 3 dots, but that's not necessary because you're going to go into insert and into the screen, or record screen rather, or you can simply go into the video icon and the drop down menu and choose record screen. And then you're going to record, you're going to allow, you're going to go into Chrome, you're going to choose one of these. I will choose this one and then share. Okay, next you're going to go into the recorder and you will find the recorder in your, let me go back here, in your course. You can see it in your browser. It's just I'm showing it. This tab is sharing your screen. So it's a circle with a red dot in the middle. Here it is. And then you're going to start recording. You're going to go back to where you intended to share. In this case, it's integrating technology over here. And this is what I'm sharing here. Let me go back into home and share the screen, okay, which is the front page of the site. Right now I'm going to go back to, I can stop sharing here, and I think that's a good idea. Stop sharing here, go back into where you came from, the original place where you started the recording. And then notice you get 2 options here. Record again if you're not happy with it. You can, of course, play it and decide whether you're happy or not. Okay, let me play. Okay, recorded my voice. So next we're going to go into attach. And there it is. Okay, now it appears huge now, but let me show you what happens when you post it. It's not going to be huge because it's set to be a normal size, and this is normal. If you want to, let's click on, if you want to make it bigger, you can always maximize it by going into full screen. Now what I'm going to do, I want to share it, and I want to share it with the world, anywhere. Going to get the link. Now notice if I hover my mouse over it, I see numbers and video webcam. Going to hit the right of the mouse, and then I get inspect. And this is how I get the link. One way of getting the link. I'll show you another way. And then I'm getting this. Okay, all the elements. It'll come up in a few seconds, and there. Going to copy the link. Notice here, it's the WEBM. Copy that. Okay, let me try that again because that wasn't copied. Now, notice without the quotation marks, that's what you get and that's what you need. Next, I'm going to the X at the top right and click on that so I can get back here. That's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is by going into the edit mode, since you just did this, and you can do that as long as you're here and you don't leave it. And then I'm going to go into tools, or I can click on the right and copy video address, and it'll be the same address. To prove that, I'm going to add it here. So you see the first one, and then I'm going to hit the right of the mouse and get copy video address. And I'll add the second one somewhere else, but you'll be able to see it. Okay, next, what we're going to do is go into, if you want to check it further, into tools, and then source code. Under source code, you will get it, but you'll get another one here. Notice what you get here. You get user. That's the wrong one. So that's not what you want. That's not going to work anywhere else but here. So what you need is without the user. Okay, you need the forum, this one. Okay, so one way of getting it is by clicking on the right of the mouse and then copy video address. Okay, let's save that. The other way, maybe kind of confusing, there is the link there, I kept it there, is to hit the right of your mouse, inspect. And this is what I showed you before. It'll take a few seconds to come up. Under elements, you will see it here, and it's exactly the same link. Okay, let's close it with the X at the top right. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into another course and just paste it, and it'll be embedded by Moodle 4.5, which is absolutely amazing. So here I am in a demo course, sandbox. I can go anywhere here, but okay, and just to show you where I can paste it. I can paste it in here, in the edit, in the general, or any of the other topic sections. Okay, let me get rid of all of these. I don't need them anymore. I'll just paste it here. Okay, that's all. That's all I need to do. And then save changes. And here it is. It's rather huge. That's true. If you want to avoid this size and you want to make it smaller, you need to go into the edit mode and try to make it smaller. So let's go into the edit mode here and into edit settings and into tools, source code. And here you can decide to make it smaller. And let me show you how you can do that. You add this code. Okay, that code, and that has the size. But you need to change, let me just get rid of this. Okay, we need to change this video code to this one, or address. Okay, video address. So we'll change that, and we'll put it here. Okay, that's where I took it away from. Okay, and now we'll save. And now notice it's a normal size. I can put it in the center and save changes. And now it's a better size. You can also add it anywhere else where there is an editor, a TinyMCE editor, which means that you can add it to activities such as forums or any other activity. Moodle has the TinyMCE editor everywhere. And when I say everywhere, let me show you what I mean by that. Going to go back into a section here, right? And into add an activity or resource. Sometimes it's just a plus. I'm using move as my theme, so yours may look slightly different. And then I have all these activities and all the sources. And if you want to show all of them, not just the start ones, all of these activities and resources have the TinyMCE editor. And all the topic sections have TinyMCE editors. So there's a chance to add video this way, anywhere, using the record screen with TinyMCE. Thank you for watching. Feel free to add questions in the comment box below and enjoy Moodling.